chasing dreams that weren't my own. The tides pull back, the sea is still. Now I hear the quiet will. Oceans within, I finally see the calm I sought was here in me. Through fog and fear, I've come to find the truth was never left behind. The stars reflect the thoughts I but peace awaits on the inside. Illusions fade, the water's clear. My soul speaks words I'm meant to hear. I let the current wash away the doubts that led my heart astray. Each wave returns a gift, a call to trust the rise, to trust it all. Oceans within, I finally see the calm I sought was here in me. Through fog and fear, I've come to find the truth was never left behind.